Hello, everyone. So, today we'll be talking about conditional statements in PowerShell as how the conditional statement works in PowerShell. So, let me take you to the PowerShell ISE console so that I can show you how exactly the conditional statement works. All right. So, I'm in the PowerShell ISE now. Now, for conditional statements, remember that we use three kind of keywords are there in PowerShell: if, else, and else if. These are some of the keywords are there. You don't need to worry about these keywords since it is not important for you guys to understand from the data factory perspective. But the logic that we are implementing over here is very important. You understand how does a conditional statement works and all. That's why I'm teaching you these things. So let's say I have two numbers are there, $x equal to 12 and $y is equal to, let's say, 14. And I want basically you to check which is the largest number out of these two. So what we can do, if you have a conditions like this, you use conditional statement like if else. So I'll say if this is my condition, if $x is greater than, so GT stands for greater than. If $x is greater than $y, that's what I'm writing. And this is my condition. And this is my statement, which I'm going to write it inside. So this is a condition. So if only this particular part will be executed if the condition is true. That means whatever I'll be writing it over here, let's say $x is greater than $y. So whatever I'll be writing it over here, this will be only executed if this condition is true. Do remember, only if the condition is true, then only this statement that is there inside this if block will be executed. And in else, we don't need to write any condition. That is directly the statement. So else will be executed if the statement is false. So I'll write simply over here, $y is greater than $x. Now look at this. So over here, $x is greater than $y, $x is 12. 12 is greater than 14? No, condition is false. So we know that whenever the condition is false, automatically it will jump to the else block, and that means this will be executed. $y is greater than $x. So this will be printed. As you can see, it's saying 14 is greater than 12 because $y is already declared. So it will be replaced with its value. Now let's say I change it to 14 now and 12. Now what will happen? 12 is greater than 14 is greater than 12. That's coming, right? Because the condition is coming as true over here. So you can see that 14 is greater than 12. Yes, condition is true, and that's why this statement will be executed. So do remember, whenever the condition is true, then only if will be executed, and whenever the condition is false, then only your else block will be executed. So I hope this conditional statement is clear. Thank you, everyone.